Hi guys, I'm Mahi. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. So आज की वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं बहुत ही सारी समर कुर्तीज़ एंड कुर्ती सेट्स की which are from Amazon of course and under 750 rupees. So that was a challenge. But yeah, I'm so excited to show you everything. Now without further ado, let's start with the video. So the first kurti set that I have is this one. You guys, एक तो इसका color, it screams summer. Like it's such a beautiful combination, yellow and white. And look at the sleeve pattern. It has sort of like A-shape sleeves with this lace work going on, and it's like a symmetrical kurta as you can see in the try on. और इसमें भी नीचे इसके lace work हुआ हुआ है. I found this super cute. Like you can see how it looks on me. Like it's so modest, but the print and all is quite quirky as you can see. I just found it super cute and summer friendly, and it comes with the matching pants, and इसकी bottom पे भी border work है जैसे कि इसका neckline पे है, and you can see the proper try on and exact prices on screen. I think it's such a cute set. Let me know what you think. If you pair it with your tan color bag, so it's gonna look really nice. Next kurti that I want to talk about is this one, the one that I'm wearing. It has a lot of embroidery and lace work going on. Like all of this is lace work. Like ऐसा इन्होंने यहाँ पे patch लगाया हुआ है with like a lot of lace. It just looks pretty. I think it's such a easy breezy kurta for summer season, and इसके ना दोनों side यहाँ पे भी cut पे भी you can see it in the try on कि पूरा lace work हुआ हुआ है. ये कुर्ता ऐसा है ना that you can wear every day like you to your college office, and it's super like easy breezy. That's what makes it summer appropriate. Let me know what you think, and yes, if I haven't mentioned it before, सारे links हैं नीचे description में. Also, I might sound a little low in this video because I am not well. Let's move on to the next kurta set. This again is like one of my favorites from the video. The fabric, you guys, is so good. Like it's pure cotton. And look at the kurta. It looks like a button down kurta because इसके center में बिल्कुल बहुत सारे buttons है. Of course they do not open, but it gives that kind of vibe. And look at the sleeves, are so cute. This lace work in particular is just so summer appropriate. Like it looks very pretty, and this is how the neckline looks like. I love the mustard and teal combination on the kurta. It just looks again summer appropriate, and it comes with these white pants palazzo with the same lace work. You guys, I'm a fan of this lace work, so this is again a kurta that I would highly recommend. Plus ये off white color की जो तुम्हें pants मिल रही है, तुम उसको कितनी चीज़ों के साथ pair कर सकते हो. So I think that's a plus point of this kurta set, that this pant can be used with other things as well. Next kurta set that I have is in this beautiful purple color. So it's a very plain kurta set. Wait, this is how it looks. Sorry, ये थोड़ा crushed है अभी. But the size that I've ordered is small. इसका neckline कुछ इस तरह से है, and it's basic, like it's a very plain simple kurta with the matching pants. And जो इसका fabric है, that's like rayon, and it has like a little shine going on, as you can see. I hope you can tell. And then the dupatta that it has is cotton, और उस पे ना black color का print है, so it is giving some sort of character to the suit basically. As you can see, it's like tribal inspired. So yeah, I think I absolutely love this kurta. I am just gonna wear it like Piku style. So you know how Piku used to wear her dupatta like this. I think ये काफी cute लगेगा उस तरह से पहन के. You can see the proper try on as well. Next kurta is like one of my favorite because look, it's strappy and it has this red colored lace work going on. Plus this is like pure cotton, and the design is also very simple, but I love that this kurta is strapless and the straps are adjustable. The best part, you can pair it with your jeans, black palazzo, red palazzo, for that matter, but I think it's a very cute summery kurta, and I think a lot of girls who are into like sleeveless kurta will love it because it's just super simple but yet super fun, I think. You can see the try on. The next kurta set that I have is halter neck, and this is how it looks. Look how bold and loud the print is, but I love that the pink is like quite subtle. So overall it looks really nice. Like it comes with this velcro thing at the back that खोल के, but तुम देखना try on में it just making it's the whole set is making me look taller, because I think that's what happens when you wear halter neck and like long length kurtas. So yeah, this is again one of my favorites. इसका fabric तो rayon है, but I just found it very pretty. It comes with like matching pants to it. I think this one was super affordable, like 500 की range में, but it looks really pretty. And तुमने इसको कैसे स्टाइल करा, आई थिंक इफ यू वेयर लाइक हील्स विद इट तो काफी अच्छा लुक आएगा इस कुर्ते का निकल के. सो that's what we're going to do in the try on. Next kurta set that I have is in this beautiful violet color, guys. So very basic, very plain, like normal palazzo pants. Okay, then the kurta is in this super cute print, and wait, look how cute this is, and it has like embroidery and patchwork going on its neckline. And the sleeves, look at the sleeves, these are the best part. Like a fitted hand, and then it has this balloon texture to it. So looks cute, right? Again, super fun to wear in summers. The fabric is also not very thick, it's like rayon and cotton mix only. It's perfect for summer. It's easy breezy kurta set. Okay, last thing that I want to talk about is actually a cord set, which is Indo-Western, not exactly ethnic. So this is how the short of the like short kurta of the set looks like, with this lace work. It's very like it gives very bohemian vibes. It's very simple. You can definitely wear it in like your lounge wear also. But I'll give you a proper try on. This one is available in blue color as well. दोनों color अपने में बहुत अच्छे हैं, but black तो यार सबका favorite होता है I feel. So yeah, this is something you can definitely check out. You can see how it looks in the try on. सारे links description में हैं. Make sure that you check these out. Also, let me know which one was your favorite kurta or kurta set. And I will see you guys super soon in my next video.